Introducing a house that has been meticulously planned with your family's wellness in mind. The Godrej Nature Plus is a place where you may live carefree since everything is taken care of, from your primary requirements to your fitness ambitions. This residential complex in Gurgaon offers you an atmosphere that gives you more opportunities to have happier, healthier life. It is planned with an aim to provide you with a setting where you should put your health and wellness first. Godrej Nature Plus is a recognized leader in health and offers intelligent solution for the better for your life. The initiative offers a milestone where enhancing immunity and ensuring well-being in the main focus. One step ahead of nature, the condos come in 2 and 3 bedroom, large and contemporary flat formats. Godrej Nature Plus Gurgaon houses many modern day amenities within its natural apartment units. There is a natural pond, a pool, a convenient access to a skating rink among this. A gazebo is another feature that is only available to Godrej Nature Plus households. Godrej Nature Plus offers a beautiful fusion of every convenience and comfort to meet every need and desire. The property is placed at a prime location in Sector 33 in Sona, which is only 5 minutes away from IGI Airport and 20 minutes away from Golf Course Road. The region will be connected by the Project Metro Corridor and KMP Expressway, which will be easily accessible for both the central city and the neighborhood for Aravali Hills. Godrej Nature Plus has been built by reputed real estate developer Godrej Properties. Godrej Nature Plus is creating a benchmark with top-in-class amenities, including cafeteria, food court, multipurpose hall, aerobics room, lift, cycling and jogging track, indoor games room, firefighting equipment, shopping center, jogging and strolling track, and the most importantly, power backup. The floor plan is a useful document that gives a realistic idea of the space covered, room sizes, and the layout of the house in Godrej Nature Plus. The units are available in two configurations and eight types of layout designs. The uniquely designed 2 BHK flat comes in a variety floor plans of, and if you opt for 3 BHK flat you will be getting variety of sizes. All these configurations come with bathrooms and balconies. So So, what are you waiting for? Don't miss this opportunity for your better life for your family and for your kids. And for more details and exciting offers, contact the number mentioned on your screen, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe the channel for more video like this.